Hi, I'm Squeaky Clean Dave, and today I'm going to be showing you something new from David Kemp of Jigsaw Innovations. So for the last 18 months I've been using Vision 2, but now there's something new out. Enigma water additive. So what is Enigma? It's a water additive that you put in with your pure water, and it doesn't affect your TDS reading. It still comes out at 0 parts per million. So what's the advantages of Enigma? Well, the first thing is it's hard to overdose. The Vision, you can overdose the water, so you have to be very careful. They recommend that you don't dose one day in the week. The Enigma, you can dose every day, and it's hard to overdose. It enhances the shine on the windows. It gives a longer lasting shine, and it's also a tack-free shine, and it helps with scrubbing. Snail trails seem to come off really easily. There's no smell from it, and unlike the Vision, it doesn't bubble up. So sometimes it's with the Vision 2, when you're rinsing you get a few bubbles and it's hard to see if you've left any bits on the glass. You don't get the bubbles with the Enigma, which is good. The main thing is it helps with sheeting. So when you're rinsing the glass, it just sheets down really nicely and leaves the glass clean. You mix it up 2 millilitres of Enigma to 100 litres of water, so that's the same as the Vision. I think I paid $23.99 plus VAT for this bottle. You can't get it off the website. You have to message David Kemp himself, and he will let you know if he's got any that he can sell to you. So is there any difference between the Enigma and the Vision? I don't know. So it's about time we did another non-scientific experiment. So what I've done, I've mixed up the Vision and the Enigma as directed. I've washed one half of a window with Enigma, the other half with Vision, and we can see as I'm washing it, it didn't seem to make any difference of how it rinsed. But something really interesting happened. I walked back past the window 10 minutes later, and the side that I'd used the Enigma on was almost dry, but there was a lot of beads of water still on the side with the Vision. What does this show? Well, it shows that the water drains off the window much quicker and takes the dirt with it. An extra advantage with Enigma is if your TDS does start to rise up a little bit, you can clean for a little bit longer with Enigma without it showing. I tested my water recently and it had gone up to 5 parts per million. Using Enigma, I was getting no spotting left on the glass at all. The one thing that people might not like about the Enigma is you have to pre-mix it to activate it. The way I do that, I've got a 2 litre pop bottle split into 5 equal sections for the 5 days of the week. I use roughly 400 litres of water per day. So what I do is 400 litres of water at 2 millilitres per 100 litres of water. That's 8 millilitres of Enigma per day. So times 5 for the 5 days. That's 40 millilitres of water. I put that into the bottle, and then I top it up with pure water up to the top. You've then got, give it a shake, you've then got a week's supply of Enigma mixed. All you do then is each day pour your section into your tank, then top it up, and that should work perfectly. So I hope you found this useful. I like Enigma, it works well for me. I haven't been paid to say that, I've paid for this with my own money. If you did like it, if you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. If there's any other water additives that you use, leave them in the comments below, please. Leave them on YouTube because that'll help me a lot. If you enjoyed this, if you found this or my other videos interesting, please subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, if you press the little bell icon, you'll be notified by YouTube every time I release a video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.